The JSON to string function converts a JSON document to a formatted JSON for further use or presentation purposes. JSON string is a string representation of the JSON document. Reference is the JSON path that points to the field that should be converted to a string and is optional. Indent is the indent level when converting the JSON document to a formatted JSON and is optional. Indentar is the character to be used for the indentation and is optional. This function is only available in Turbo Integrator. In this example, I convert a JSON document into a formatted JSON file and also specify how it should be formatted. This line defines a JSON document as a string and stores it in a variable sjsondoc. This line formats the JSON document using the JSON to string function with formatting options. To format the whole JSON document, I leave the reference field empty. I specify the indent level to be 3 and to use a space for the indentation. Finally, I export the formatted JSON document into a file named tm1params.json. Let's run the process and then view the file. After executing the process, the file will look like this.